Who is Marco Rose? I'm sure that's the question people are asking right now. It's ubani Marco Rose. Sizwile indaba about coach wase-German, but we don't know anything about this coach. Can you really dig for us information? Ukuthi usitshele kahle kahle ukuthi ubani lo, yabo. So ngabheka uthi okay, Marco Rose. Marco Rose is a German football manager, yabo. Ngase ngibheka iprofile yakhe. Iprofile yakhe mase siyibheke, siyihlaziye iprofile yakhe. Akusiyona iprofile etheni, but i-CV yakhe yona iyaphatheka, yabo. Izicoco asikho ningi ngaleyo ndlela, but unazo izicoco. But into engiyithanda ngalo coach ikephi na ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza nabafana abancane. Let's look at his CV, yabo. Mase ngibheka right now akanayo club, yabo. Akanayo club right now. The last team he coached was iLeipzig. Wagcina ukucoacha ngoMarch 30, 2025. Iyona club ayicoacha iLeipzig. Abayazi yonke iLeipzig iclub ledlala le kuBundesliga. I don't really like to watch iBundesliga because ayazi iBayern ithanda ukudominate kakhulu. But last year na ngisikwazi ukubona amathema njengoBayer Leverkusen bekwazi ukuyiwina ileague yakhona. But I don't really like to watch the league a lot because bona la khona liyabhora, yabo. I-commentary yakhona msangani. But ke Marco Rose bafethu una 48 years old, wase-Germany ngokuhlala. Umjida wazalwa ngoSeptember 11, 1976. Umeza ngomjida umuntu omdala nje, but ke there's a story for another day. Ama formation ajolo kwadlala. I-formation actually ajolo kuyidlala i-4-4-2. Siyamazi ucoach Orlando Pirates ade icoach Orlando Pirates ubedlala i-4-3-3, traditional 4-3-3 yena. But ke lo uMarco Rose the formation ethanda ukuyidlala i-4-4-2. Ama competition aseka wacoach before iBundesliga, UEFA Champions League, DFB Cup. Yabo, awekho maningi ama competition aseka wacoach, but ke ama major competitions aseka wacoach iwona lawo. Yabo, mase sibheke i-managerial career yakhe. Managerial career yakhe waqala ekuba i-assistant manager ngo-2009 ecoacha iclub yaseBayern, i-FSV Mainz. FSV Mainz, that's the first club aseke aba khona i-part of i-technical team. Yabo, ngo-2009. So lo muntu lo unalo ulwazi locoach, akusiyena nje ucoach ongavela umlande nje azokudlalela azocoachela iteam noma yiphi, yabo. Iclub alandela ngayo iLok Leipzig, yabo, yaseGermany ngo-2012, kwathi ngo-2013 wahamba. Walandela ngani? Walandela ngo-under 13 aka Salzburg under 16, not under 13, under 16. Wayicoacha nini nona ngo-2013 until 2015, yabo. 2013 until 2015. Wathi sesuka khona wajoyina i-aka Salzburg under 18 from 2015 until 2017. Wathi sesuka khona wajoyina i-Red Bull Salzburg Youth League, lapho khona bacoacha from 2016 until 2017. Wathi sesuka khona wajoyina the main club Salzburg from 2017 until 2019. Let me just do a quick, yabo, review kula club lawa aloke wacoacha la. Iclub eyodwa le ngifuna ningizwe kahle. Iclub eyodwa, it's like ukuthatha uDukuduku from simsuse under 13 uDukuduku sizimise ku main team. uDukuduku menikhumbula kahle wa-appointwe i-Orlando Pirates, I think it was back in 2022 or 2023 if I'm not mistaken. But uDukuduku sewenzile umehluko lapha entwaneni, yabo. Sewenzile umehluko. There are many young talent esesiwabonile dlala ku Betway Premiership right now asuka kuyena lapho uDukuduku esandleni sakhe, adlule esandleni sakhe uDukuduku. So izandla mesimshayele zona. But mase ubheke yena la uMarco Rose wasiqala under 16 waze waya ku-main club. Wasuka under 16 from 2013 waze wajoyina i-main club ngo-2017. So i-experience ube nayo, ukwazile ukusebenzisana nabafana abancane, yabo. Yonke esiyidingayo mase ubheke ku-Orlando Pirates, siyamdinga ucoach ozosinikeza lento esiyifunayo. Yini esiyifunayo ku-Orlando Pirates? Asifuni ukubona abafana abancane, the young boys esinabo right now, behamba belonwa next season, yabo. Ngiyakhumbula ke uJoseph Zimbabwe epromote abadlali abanjengoRadio Bane, epromote abadlali abanjengoAzola Jobini. Kwathi sekufika ucoach olandelayo uFaltu Davids. uFaltu Davids wathatha benomandla ncikazi ngesizini elandelayo, bathathe izintambeni zika Joseph Zimbabwe. Benze njani na? Balona labafana abancane babekhona. Ngiyakhumbula ama-Twins. Kwenzakalani ngama-Twins? Ama-Twins awasekho, yabo. Lama-Twins lawa akuba konje uba ngangitshela kuma-comments lama-Twins ayidlalela Orlando Pirates. Lawa ama-Twins lawa ayedlala ngesikhathi sika Joseph Zimbabwe. But ke wathi hamba uJoseph Zimbabwe asiphindanga sawabona. yabo asiphindanga sawabona lawa mathuzi lawa. But ke that's a story for another day. I don't want to see these young boys as now right now, because the latest young boys abapromote ku-DDC ubani uSelepe uDansini lona 17 mase kuba uMadiba yabo. The other young stars maningi ngaze kushona ilanga abombokazi abongoda abomfuking abodladla yabo. Ibona ama young stars la uJose Rivera akwazi ukwasebenzisa kule season esiphuma le esikuyona actually because sizophela vele. So lo coach lo ukwazi ukusebenzisana nabafana abancane yabo. Throughout his career nje ukwazi lo ngempela ukusebenzisana nabafana abancane. So uyazi ukuthi abafana abancane badlaliswa kanjani, uyazi yabo i-development uyithatha serious. Lo coach uyithatha serious, and le club le ade kuyona iSalzburg ucoach abadlali abanjengo Haaland because nje besitshela la from 2016 to 2017 until 2019 uHaaland wadlala la kule club. Usuke esandleni sakhe uHaaland, Erling Haaland usuke esandleni sakhe yabo. Wasuka lapho wayojoina eclub yaseGermany. Ngangipronounceela leli gama elide nje angikwazi ukulipronounce igama leli club. Wathi sesuka khona ngo2021 wajoina iBorussia Dortmund ujoine nini ngo2021 until 2022. Wasuka kuDortmund wajoina iRed Bull Leipzig, lapho khona ke ehlale khona from 2022 until 2025 this year yabo, until 2025 this year. To be honest njobe siwa nje kweLeipzig, iLeipzig this year iyaqala ukuthi ingayidlali iUEFA competition. Abekho kuUEFA competition mase sibheke nje la indlela abenza ngakhona, abekho even kweyodwa icompetition yeUEFA yabo. Asazi ngempela kwenzakalani, but ke ucoach mina to be honest I don't think Orlando Pirates ingaba nawo amandla ukuthi ikwazi ukumharisha lo coach lo yabo. I don't think bahamba nawo amandla ukuthi bamharishe. Yes, ngiyawabona ama rumors emlinka neOrlando Pirates, but I don't think bangaba nawo amandla ukuthi bamharishe yabo. To be honest I don't think bangaba nawo ngempela amandla ukuthi bamharishe. But ke yona iLeipzig bekuyiclub eRaus. Let me check the stars bebe nawo kuLeipzig. Ucoach abadlali abanjengo Joško Gvardiol, abadlali abanjengo Joško Gvardiol, abadlali abanjengo Timo Werner bebacoach mfethu. So lo coach lo bukela abadlali Alexander Slot lo dlala Atletico Madrid right now bebacoach abadlali lapho. Dani Olmo bebacoach, Dominic Szoboszlai bebacoach yabo. There are many players lo coach lo bebacoach yabo. So akusiyena ucoach esingamthatha kancane. Ucoach ngempela lo unayo experience, ucoach lo kumele simthathe serious yabo. Uyakwazi ukudevelop italent, uyena coach esingakwazi ukumsebenzisa lapha kwezimnyama. But ke we don't know, I haven't seen his name being mentioned kuma sources ajwayele ukunginikeza information. Igama lakhe alivamisile ukuvela yabo. Nami le indaba lezi ngiyithole sengitshelwa abantu ukuthi hayibo wevani sizwe la kuthiwa there's a coach, German coach okuthiwa ulinked noOrlando Pirates. Ngabe uzweni ngayo? To be honest angakezwa lutho ngayo uMarco Rose, but ke people have been asking me ukuthi let me do a video analyzing his career yabo, ngimkhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle yini anayo yena ucoach mfethu. To be honest i-record yakhe i-right, angifuqama i-right, and uyakwazi ukusebenzisana nabafana abancane, kuyiyona into esiyithandayo leyo. Yeah, yona into esiyithandayo. And ungakhohlwa iOrlando Pirates nge-preseason bayahamba bayaphina baya le eGermany for a preseason. Maybe there's a possibility we might announce our coach before we leave for eGermany. Asazi noma kuzobuyena yini lo uMarco Rose. Yebo ungangitshela kuma comments wena ngokwakho ukuthi umuphi ucoach ofisa umbona announce. But mina ngajabula ngempela simthole lo coach lo, but ke angiboni kuzobe ipossibility because lo coach usuka le kwiBundesliga. Ngasuka kwiBundesliga uye le South Africa. It doesn't make sense, to be honest. Maybe amathima kwiPremier League angazama appoint yabo. It makes sense there. But asuke le Germany ayile South Africa. Asazi but ke ocoach abaningi bayathanda vele ukuthi basuke le emazweni abo bazo-improve ama-CV abo la eSouth Africa. Mase besuka la sebene-CV right baye le emazweni abo bakhombisa ukuthi okay ade ngicoach team kanje one of the best teams in South Africa. I've did this and this. Yabo Jose Rivera nje right now i-CV yakhe isimnandi. So kwi-South Africa usuka bafana usuka kweOrlando Pirates wadominate lapha ama-cups many cups wafika nakuma-semi-final Champions League. Uyasuka manje uya kwe-Al Ahly. Al Ahly right now ziningi izinto azoyizuza nge-Al Ahly because unama formation amnandi uJose Rivera. So kuningi azokuzuza lapha nge-Al Ahly. Yabo i-CV yakhe izothi uqina masebuyela le Europe. Maningi ama-team azomthatha serious because they see Al Ahly one of the best clubs la e-Africa. So bazomthatha serious. But ke Marco Rose, the next Orlando Pirates coach, ngabe iqiniso noma manga asazi. Sobona asike silinde simbone ukuthi ukhoza ukhulumani uthini.